Good morning. I would like to book a room for 2 people for 2 nights, please.
Good morning. Sure, we have several rooms available for your requested dates. Could you please let me know your check-in and check-out dates, as well as any preferences you may have regarding room type or location?
We will be arriving on the 15th of May and leaving on the 17th. As for room type, we would prefer a double room with a view.
Great. I have a double room with a sea view available for those dates. The rate for the room is $150 per night, so your total cost would be $300 plus tax. Would you like me to reserve this room for you?
Yes, that sounds perfect. Can you also confirm the amenities that come with the room, such as free breakfast or access to the pool?
Certainly. Your room rate includes a continental breakfast each morning, and you will have access to our outdoor pool and fitness center. If you need any assistance with booking activities or tours during your stay, we would be happy to help with that as well.
That all sounds great. What is the check-in time and location?
Check-in is at 3 p.m., and our front desk is located in the main lobby of the hotel. Please note that we do require a credit card for incidentals, and there is a $50 hold placed on your card during your stay.
Understood. Do you require a deposit to reserve the room?
Yes, we do require a deposit of one night's stay to secure your reservation. You can provide that over the phone with a credit card or by mailing in a check.
Okay, I can provide a credit card over the phone. Can you confirm the reservation details with me once more before I give you my card information?
Of course. Your reservation is for a double room with a sea view for 2 nights, from May 15th to May 17th. The rate is $150 per night plus tax, and your total cost will be $300. Your room rate includes a continental breakfast each morning, and you will have access to our outdoor pool and fitness center. Check-in time is at 3 p.m., and we require a deposit of one night's stay to secure your reservation.
Yes, that's correct. Here is my credit card information.
Thank you. I have processed your deposit and confirmed your reservation. You will receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details of your reservation. Do you have any further questions or requests?
No, everything sounds perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We look forward to welcoming you to our hotel in May.
Hi, I'm looking to book a hotel room for my upcoming vacation. Do you have any recommendations?
Of course. What's your budget and preferred location?
I'm willing to spend up to $200 a night, and I'm looking for a hotel that's near the beach.
There are a few options that meet your criteria. The first one is the Ocean View Hotel. It's located right on the beach and has rooms starting at $150 per night.
That sounds perfect. How do I book a room there?
You can book directly on their website, or I can help you make a reservation over the phone.
Can you help me make the reservation? I'm not very tech-savvy.
Absolutely. I'll just need your name, phone number, and the dates you want to stay.
My name is John Smith, and I want to stay from July 10th to July 15th.
Great. Let me check the availability and rates for those dates. Okay, I see a standard room available for $160 a night. Would you like to book that?
Yes, that sounds good.
All right, I'll just need a credit card to hold the reservation. It won't be charged until you check in.
Sure, here's my card information.
Perfect, I've made the reservation for you. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.
Hi, I have a question about my hotel reservation.
Sure, what's your question?
I need to change the dates of my stay. Is that possible?
Let me check. Yes, it looks like we can change the dates for you. What are the new dates you want to stay?
I need to change it to August 5th to August 10th.
Alright, let me see if those dates are available. Yes, I can make that change for you. There will be a $25 fee for the change.
Okay, that's fine. Can you confirm the new reservation dates?
Sure, I've updated your reservation to the new dates. You should receive a new confirmation email shortly.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. Is there anything else you need assistance with?
No, that's it. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a great trip. Hi there. I'm planning a trip to London and I was wondering if you could help me book a hotel room.
Of course. What are your travel dates?
I'll be arriving on May 15th and leaving on May 20th.
Great, I'll look up some options for you. Do you have a preferred location or budget?
I'm looking for something central, preferably near some of the tourist attractions. As for budget, I'm willing to spend around $150 per night.
Okay, let me see what I can find. How about this hotel near Covent Garden? It's within walking distance of the British Museum and the London Eye, and the price fits your budget.
That looks perfect. How do I book it?
I can book it for you right now, or you can book it yourself online. Do you have a preference?
I'd like to book it myself, if that's okay.
Sure, I'll send you the link to their website. Just fill in your travel dates and select the room type you want, and then enter your payment information.
Sounds easy enough. Will I need to pay anything upfront?
Most hotels will require a credit card to hold the reservation, but they won't charge you until you check in. Just make sure you read the cancellation policy carefully, in case you need to make changes to your plans.
Got it. Thanks for your help.
No problem. Let me know if you need any more assistance with your trip. Hi there, I'm planning a trip and I need to book a hotel room. Do you have any tips for finding a good deal?
Absolutely. There are a few different ways you can go about finding a good hotel deal. First, I would recommend looking online at websites like Expedia or Hotels. They often have deals and discounts that you can take advantage of.
That's a good idea. Do you think it's better to book directly through the hotel or through a third-party website?
It really depends on the situation. Booking directly through the hotel can sometimes give you access to special perks or upgrades, but third-party websites can often offer better prices. Just be sure to read the fine print and check for any hidden fees or restrictions.
Got it. How far in advance should I book my hotel room?
It's always a good idea to book as far in advance as possible, especially if you're traveling during a busy time of year. Some hotels even offer early booking discounts. But if you're flexible with your travel dates, you can sometimes find last-minute deals that can save you money.
Okay, that makes sense. How do I know if a hotel is right for me?
That's a great question. First, you'll want to consider the location of the hotel and how it fits into your travel plans. You'll also want to look at the amenities that the hotel offers, like free breakfast or a pool. Finally, be sure to read reviews from other travelers to get a sense of what the hotel is really like.
Thanks for the advice. How do I actually go about booking the room?
Most hotels and third-party websites will have an online booking system that you can use. Just select your dates, room type, and any other preferences you have, and then follow the prompts to complete your booking. You may need to provide a credit card number to hold the reservation.
Okay, that sounds easy enough. Do you have any other tips for booking a hotel room?
One thing to keep in mind is that you may be able to negotiate the price of your room, especially if you're booking directly with the hotel. It never hurts to ask if they can offer you a better rate. And don't forget to sign up for loyalty programs or hotel credit cards, as they can often earn you points or rewards that can be used towards future stays.
Thanks, I'll keep that in mind. I feel much more confident about booking my hotel room now.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.